Boys and girls, we've had a shattering experience today. I'm going to tell you. I hope you like it. The customer, I don't have any, but my friend, look at what he's going to come to. Yeah, isn't that pretty? At least he knows it's not safe no more. I didn't want him to be confused with anything. I wanted to make sure that he has a long weekend that's safe and as enjoyable as one can be. They can go jump in the lake because it's just up there, right? Let's jump in the lake. Anyway, thanks for your time. God bless. And I think my work is done today. All right? Toodles.